My name is Michelle Turkovich, and I am a nursing student and CSTEP member at SUNY Morrisville. CSTEP offers me access to a textbook library, textbook awards so that I can get whatever school supplies I need from the bookstore. They offer a 24-hour quiet study area where I can study all day, all night before my nursing tests with access to computers and printers. I have a dedicated advisor at CSTEP who's kind of like a mentor to me, and he's helping track my academic progress and answer any questions I have, as well as helping me prepare for the next step when I graduate from Morrisville. CSTEP has also offered me opportunities for fellowships and research, conferences statewide, and all of those things together have helped me really become a more well-rounded student. If somebody is interested in the Morrisville nursing program, I would recommend that they come to an Accepted Students Day and they come meet the faculty and the staff and get a tour of the nursing labs here. It's a great way to see what the program is all about and if you would be a great fit for our program.